Venturing from a modest, forgotten dwelling constructed in the 1980s for a previous occupant, the Casa de Árvore tree's house renovation project encompassed both the small house and its attached shed. Amidst the house's years of neglect, its once white walls became the canvas for the paintings of the owner's daughter, a young artist who, in time, transitioned into a student at an art school. The overarching idea behind the design was to convert the existing structure into a snug weekend getaway for the woman who once wandered those halls, now a married mother of two. The architectural approach deliberately retained the existing paintings, demanding that all modifications safeguard these artworks, most dating back to the year 2000. To augment this wabi-sabi ambience, the design centered on accentuating the themes of time and nostalgia as the foundation of the creative journey. In pursuit of this objective, the arrangement of spaces was complemented by artfully framing the natural external light and seamlessly incorporating the breathtaking surrounding foliage into the house's interior. The selection of materials was a deliberate nod to Brazil's rural aesthetics, integrating solutions commonly found in those regions due to their exceptional thermal properties. For instance, walls fashioned from mud bricks and sloping roofs adorned with ceramic tiles. In some instances, materials were truly indigenous. The principal substance for certain walls stemmed from the rocks unearthed from the site's soil. Disregarding the dictates of contemporary trends, the methods proposed bespoke solutions tailored to embrace the essence of the house and craftsmanship available through unconventional elements and solutions. The house's evolution aligned with nature to suit this new phase of the owner's life. The space was crafted to encourage boundless exploration, evoke profound emotions, and invite deep contemplation, liberating the delight of perpetual discovery. Spanning 300 square meters, Casa de Árvore resides in the mountainous expanse of Atibaia, approximately 80 kilometers from São Paulo. Comprising 5 suites, living and dining spaces, a washroom, terrace, kitchen, pantry, and laundry room, the project reached completion in 2019.